Hi everybody, I'm Michelle Nutt. I'm really excited that you're going to be in my class this year and I look forward to seeing you on Monday. This video is just a quick rundown on what you might need to know before you even get to class. A little bit about me. These are my children, Sarah and John Mark. I am into traveling, reading, working on my bullet journal, and I like to putter in my yard. I really like flowers. I teach 4 classes: 6th grade art, 7th grade art, high school drama, and 8th grade career management. Each of those will have a Google Classroom set up, and that's where you'll get most of your information. A few quick rules before you even walk in the front door. The following areas are off limits: my supply closets and the drawers in my teacher desk. I expect you to keep your hands and your feet to yourself at all times. Do not throw anything, even paper. It's one of my pet peeves. So even if you've got to just throw some paper away, please just get up and go to the trash can and drop it in. If you're going to be creative, respectful, and responsible, you're going to have a great semester and we'll have lots of fun. Where do your grades come from? For my art students, you'll have projects, weekly art start assignments, weekly participation grades, and some quizzes, not many. Career management, weekly participation, classroom assignments, homework, and maybe some quizzes. And drama, weekly participation, performances. That's what we do in drama class, so any performances that you're in will be 25% of your final grade. Classroom assignments, and maybe homework. What do you need to bring to art class? Just a pencil and a creative attitude, ready to work. We do have some safety issues. I've got dangerous stuff in the room. We use scissors, even in drama. I've got a large paper cutter, X-Acto knives, a glue gun. If you're misusing any of these things, the consequence is an automatic referral to the principal. For COVID safety, I've got hand sanitizer for you to use at the beginning and the end of class, and either wear a mask or cough and sneeze into your elbow. Here are the basic expectations for you to enter the room quietly and calmly, listen and be attentive, be focused and engaged, work independently, and raise your hand if you have a question. I expect you to be respectful to me and to each other, to use materials responsibly. If you're messing around with paintbrushes or oil pastels or glue or scissors, you'll lose the chance to use those materials, so please use them responsibly. Follow all the directions, put supplies back in the appropriate place, wait to be dismissed by me, and if you're in art especially, I expect you to submit original work, not something that you found somewhere else. Here are the things that I just really cannot deal with: disrespect, throwing anything, including paper, unsafe behavior, and outbursts or major disruptions. Please don't have your cell phone out. Don't leave class early without permission. Let's leave the food and drinks not in my class. It brings ants and roaches. Yuck. If you are doing any of these things, you might lose participation points. You might not be able to participate in an activity. I might have to call your parents. You might have lunch detention or even an office referral. 2 things to put on your calendar, my art students. Art night is Monday, December 13th. You will have at least 3 or 4 things to display. And yes, everybody will have 3 or 4 things that they're very proud of. So don't forget that. And my drama students, the Christmas play is tentatively Thursday, December the 9th in Willacoochee. That's a performance, so it's part of your grade. I expect you to be there. That's it. We are going to have a great semester. I'm really looking forward to seeing you on Monday, and we are going to do all kinds of cool stuff. See you then. Bye.